So, there's a flower pot on our patio. It blew there, and the wind is blowing it. And Gizmo, the big protector, is barking at it, trying to protect us. But he's too scared to get up to the window. Gizmo, it's a flower pot, baby. You hear it? Chloe, he's stupid, huh? Gizmo? Sweetheart, it's a flower pot. Or a watering can. Watering can, sorry. Look at his hind legs. He's scared to go over there. Gizmo? Gizmo, it's a watering can, baby. It's a watering can.